Hello and welcome to St. Bridget Catholic School. My name is Gina McGee and I'm the admissions director. We offer a faith-based education and a strong academic curriculum. I'm going to be walking you through the admissions process and provide you with information. If at any time you have any questions during this process, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. We build tradition through faith and learning. Welcome aboard.
Hello and welcome to St. Bridget Catholic School Virtual Open House. We build tradition through faith and learning. Thank you for taking the time out to learn about important aspects of our wonderful school. In this presentation, I will highlight various areas and explain the application process. If after this you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at any time. As I go through the presentation, there are some activities that we are not currently doing in person, but hopefully will be in the near future to keep our students safe. Our mission is very evident in our school, and we strive to live that mission every day. I'm going to read through it with you. St. Bridget School is a Catholic Christ-centered environment that provides a strong academic curriculum and fosters spiritual growth, moral development, and the pursuit of excellence in the whole person. We are a Catholic school, and we prepare our students to carry their Catholic morals after they leave St. Bridget. Our Catholic faith is evident in every aspect of our school. Our students participate in weekly Mass and prayer services. Our students serve the church and the community through their service hours. They go all over Richmond to serve the community, and they also assist in various church functions throughout the year. Our faith is integrated in everything we do. Our school is accredited through the Advanced Program, the Virginia Catholic Education Association, and the National Catholic Education Association. Our teachers are state licensed from JK through our 8th grade. In JK through 5, they have an instructional assistant to assist the teacher. Junior kindergarten is a full-day program and prepares the students to be ready for our kindergarten program. In JK and kindergarten, they go out for recess 2 times. They have a snack in the morning and they have a lunchtime. They can order it through our cafeteria or they can bring their own lunch. They have a rest time in the afternoon. Both programs are academically focused. Our JK program prepares our students for the structured and academically challenging kindergarten program, as does our kindergarten to prepare them for elementary and classes beyond. In elementary school, we offer guided reading and an everyday math program. We teach through various methods in order to meet all our students' learning needs. We have learning resource teachers to assist them also. Our students learn through whole and small group, partner, and individual learning. We offer language arts, religion, social studies, science, and math every day. And in alternating years, they take Spanish or French. And they also have special classes that I will talk about in a little bit. Our middle school curriculum are taught religion, language arts, mathematics, science, social studies, enrichment classes, which include art, music, and PE, and world language, which includes Spanish or French. In the middle school, they do morning gathering in the Performing Arts Center. They say the prayers, they do the pledge, and they do their announcements. We have small class sizes. Our scheduling is semi-blocked. And our exploratory program is where we provide the service and learning opportunities in the community that I had discussed prior to. We also offer high school class credits in algebra, geometry, world history, geoscience, and Spanish. Our students are accepted to many different high schools and are prepared to go anywhere, as you can see from this very vast list. Some facts. In the elementary school, the students participate in PE, art, music, technology, and library once a week. We have a comprehensive library, and we also have a small library for the middle school students down in that building. We have an outstanding service team, as I stated before, that goes all throughout Richmond to help in the community. And one day of the year, the church and the school come together to provide a day of service for our community members. We have an extensive athletic program, which I'll touch on a little bit after this slide. We have an after-school program. In elementary school, we have a chef-prepared lunch program. And in the middle school, we have restaurants that deliver for our lunches. We have an active and supportive PTO, and we just hosted a successful booster-thon that it was an event that the children participated in to raise money for our school, and it was a lot of fun. As you can see, we offer all kinds of different sports. This is some of the sports that are offered, and the students do start their athletics in junior kindergarten. How to apply. If your child is 4 years old by September 30th, they are ready to get assessed for the junior kindergarten program. If your child is 5 by September 30th, they can be assessed for our kindergarten program. I do have to say that some of our younger 5-year-olds do start out in junior kindergarten. We want to make sure that we set them up for success, and that's what the assessment why the assessment is very important, and I will talk a little bit about that after this slide. If you want to apply, please go to our website under admissions, how to apply and apply now. You'll go in and create an account, and it walks you through that process. If at any time during that admissions process you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you want to inquire ahead for beyond the 2020 and 21 school year, please go to our website and click the Inquire button. We have assessment testing for JK and K in January, and I will go through those dates on the next slide, and we will talk about it a little bit more in depth. These are the days that we have picked for today. Typically, I set up a Sign Up Genius, and you can sign up for those times. If that's not possible, please contact me, and we'll work out something to make that happen. Our first through elementary students usually start assessing in February, as does our middle school students. Our elementary school assessment is where the students participate in a brief developmental assessment that provides a snapshot of a child's development at a particular point in time. This screening addresses various domains such as physical development, language development, social and emotional skills, and academic and cognitive skills. This allows us to set your child up for success. We certainly want to make sure that they are ready for our academic program. For students in 2nd through 5th grade at the elementary school, they will come in and do a shadow day with another student, and the assessment for them will be completed. That assessment typically takes approximately a half an hour, and the JK and the K assessment take approximately 20 to 30 minutes. In the middle school, the students come and do a shadow day. They will conduct an interview, and they will do an assessment that consists mostly of focusing on reading and math. Thank you very much for your interest in St. Bridget Catholic School, and we would love for you to become a part of our family. And thank you for taking the time out to hear what we have to offer. Have a great day. Thanks.